In this video, I'm going to share with you kung paano natin malalaman ng ating roofing contractor or roofing installer ay isang legit. So, let's dive in! Naranasan mo na bang magpagawa ng bubong na after your down payment, hindi na nagpakita ang inyong roofing installer? O kaya'y nagpagawa ka ng bubong na banda sa kalagitnaan, ang iyong installer ay hindi na bumalik? O hindi kaya'y nagpagawa ka ng bubong, after nila ma-install within a week or within the warranty, ang inyong roofing installer ay hindi na mahagilap? Hindi po kayo nag-iisa dyan dahil in my 20 years experience in roofing industry, isa rin po akong biktima. Nalaman ko na mayroong mga bagay na kailangan nating malaman pag kumuha tayo ng isang roofing contractor o isang roofing installer. Kasi kapag hindi right contractor o roofing installer ang ating ma-hire, sakit ng ulo ang ating aabutin at hindi lang yan, sakit sa ating bulsa. Dahil mapapalaki yung ating gastusin. Pero ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat nating malaman pag mag-hire tayo ng isang roofing contractor o isang roofing installer. In terms of permits and license, experience, warranty, and of course, insurance. At hindi lang yan, price. Tip number 1. Permits and license. Ano-ano nga ba itong mga permits and license? In the Philippines, kailangan ito ay nakarehistro sa Department of Trade and Industry kung ito ay pagmamay-ari lamang ng iisang tao. Dito natin makikita kung sino ang nagmamay-ari ng isang kumpanya at ang kanyang address. Pero, pag ito ay pagmamay-ari ng dalawa o higit pa, ito ay dapat nakarehistro sa Security and Exchange Commission or SEC. Dito natin malalaman kung sino yung mga nagmamay-ari ng isang kumpanya, pati yung kanilang mga address. At hindi lang yan, kailangan merong mayor's permit or barangay permit kung saan munisipyo at barangay located ang kanilang negosyo. At higit sa lahat, kailangan ito ay nakarehistro sa Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. In short, hindi legit ang kailang kumpanya pag hindi kumpleto yung mga binanggit ko. So tip number 2, experience. Ito ay pinaka-importante sa lahat. Ikaw ba'y pag nagpa-opera ng iyong puso, papayag ka ba na fresh graduate na doctor yung mag-o-opera sa iyong puso? Of course not. Do research, everything is online, and information about your roofing contractor. Search the past and previous project, then call back kung meron itong contact number. At pwede nyo silang tawagan one by one before you're purchasing the materials or before making orders to your roofing contractor or roofing installer. Referrals or recommendation from your friends, from your family, and other trades is very much important. So what's this?
Really appreciate the way he constructed our building here at Del Monte Avenue, Quezon City. It was a job well done.
Tip number 3, insurance. Ito ay pinaka-importante sa lahat, lalong-lalo na ang roofing ay high risk or work at height. So, it can be dangerous, kaya kailangan ang ating roofing contractor or roofing installer ay may insurance to cover everything, including the materials and entire project. So don't put you in a serious because medical expenses is very expensive. Lalo-lalo na pag inyong roofing contractor or installer ay third party. Ano nga ba yung third party? Ito yung nakipag-transact tayo kay Juan na pinasab ko ni Juan kay Pedro at si Pedro naman ay kumuha ng mag-i-install ng ating bubong. So pag nagka-problema, hindi na natin malalaman kung sino yung ating habulin. So take note of this. This is very important when you're looking the right roofing installer or roofing contractor. Tip number 4, warranty. In the Philippines, we have the standard warranty for the materials and for the workmanship. 5 to 10 years to materials and 1 to 2 years for the workmanship. Merong 10 years for the warranty of the materials and meron ding 20 years. but and depends on the price you pay for your roofing installer or your roofing contractor. Depende rin kung ano yung napapaloob sa ating warranty. Kasi mamaya, 20 years or 30 years, pero in every 3 years, kailangan nyo mag-repaint na yung roofing. So, kailangan basahin natin maigi kung ano yung napapaloob sa ating warranty. Before you transact or making payments, you can request a sample warranty of your contractor or your roofing installer. Ito ay pinaka-importante sa lahat pag pumili po tayo ng roofing installer or roofing contractor. Dahil dito po nakasalalay yung quality ng ating roofing at yung quality ng workmanship ng ating roofing installer. Again, kailangan natin ng direct labor. Hindi natin kailangan ng subcontractor. Bakit? Kasi sa tuwing magkaproblema yung ating bubong within the warranty, lalo-lalo na during rainy season, maraming tulo ang ating bubong, mahirap po hagilapin yung mga subcon na installers. So, kailangan natin ay direct installer para anytime magkaproblema yung ating bubong, isa lang po yung ating tatawagan. Tip number 5, price. When buying the materials, price it depends on the quality of our product and the quality of workmanship. So, kailangan meron tayong at least 3 quotation from other trades. So, better to choose the second on the highest price. Don't choose the lowest price. Bakit? Kasi minsan, yung lowest price, hindi natin alam pag dumating yung ating materials, ay low quality or poor yung workmanship. So, better to choose the second or the highest price kasi I'm sure the quality of the materials and the quality of the workmanship is very high. Oops! By the way, may nakalimutan pa tayo! Makikilala natin yung legit roofing contractor or roofing installer kapag ito ay registered sa Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board or sinasabi na PCAP. Dahil ayon sa Batas 4566 as amended by Presidential Decree Number 1746 na walang contractor or subcontractor na hindi nakarehistro sa Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board. Kasama yung specialty trade tulad ng roofing. Nilalayo ng batas para proteksyonan yung interest ng publiko at ng mga private sector. So, don't forget to share this video to your friends and your family and on your Facebook because we don't want to experience kung ano yung naranasan natin sa ating mga illegitimate roofing contractor or roofing installer. So, make sure to be wise in choosing the right or the legit roofing contractor or roofing installer so that is less expensive. Again, I'm Paul Castillo of Caspar Roofing Channel and we're teaching installation videos and detailed guides to home and property owners all about roofing. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming channel, ang Caspar Roofing Channel. Please visit www.casparroofing.ph or Caspar Steel Roofing Incorporated in our Facebook page. And remember, when it comes to your safety, there's no need to look anywhere but the best. Pick up a roofing contractor with a long track record to protect your interest in terms of good product, good price, and good service. Safety is a way of life. If you want strong, durable, and built to last, all you have to do is raise the roof.